Hey people, so installing a Cambium Saver from the ground with the throwline. One of my past trainees got in touch with me a few weeks ago and wanted to know could I make him a little video of how to do this. So I've put the throwline over the crotch, and with the bag that I've thrown over, I've taken the bag off and I've popped it down through the little ring on the Cambium Saver. And then I take the other side of the line and I pop it all the way down through the ring on the other side, the big ring. And then, as I pull down the through line, the Cambium Saver floats up the tree. And whenever I get it up to the crotch, the little ring up to the crotch beside the bag, I give it a quick flick, and down through it comes.